Hey guys, what's up? So, got another unboxing for you. So this one's a little bit more interesting because I have an idea who this is from, but I don't know what's in the box. So for February, most of you probably heard about Love the Bus Month. So IC had a little Love the Bus Month thing with the hashtag uh, Love the IC Bus 24. I think it was. I'll look at it and put it in the description. But anyway, so basically, he made a post with something about Love the Bus Month. Put the hashtag. They would enter you to win some merch. So I have no idea what is actually in here. Bear with me because I do not have my tripod. So I will be one-handing this with the camera and then one with the knife to open it. So just give me a second. Okay, so the tape is cut. Again, I don't know what's in here. So we're going through this together. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, okay. Let's see. What's this? Oh, okay. So it's a little icy bag. Alright. Let's see. What do we got in here? Got a... I assume that's a cup. Obviously. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Awesome. We got a... well, international cup. Let's see. Oh, wow, this is cool. It's an icy, like, not a lunchbox, but like something to put food in. I don't know what you'd call that, but that's awesome. It's icy branded. Let's see. Oh, heck yeah. We got the little CE Post-its. That's awesome. Let's see. And then we got a IC. I think that's got IC on it. Yeah, IC right there. Little journal. So awesome. I think that's it. Let's see. And then the bag is a reusable bag. So that's it. Awesome. Thank you very much, IC, for picking me to win this stuff. Or I think there were multiple winners, but thank you. This is awesome. I love this. Definitely gonna have to use it. And you can never have enough international cups or IC branded stuff. So let's see. Make sure there's nothing in the paper. So yeah, that is it. I just wanted to open this on camera just so you guys could see just a cool little thing that they did for Love the Bus Month. And yeah, so with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. And yeah.